Assalamu alaikum. My viewers, I hope that you all are good. My name is Sayyid Mohammad Mushtuba and I lived in North Nagabad town. I live with my parents and I have three siblings in my family. I have done my matriculation from private school, Metropolitan Education System, Gulbarga campus, and intermediate from government college, Gulshan Iqbal Degree College, Block 7. Now I am studying in Ikra University. I like to making vlog from childhood, as I also interested in social media. So my favorite food is chicken zinger burger of Vosia restaurant at North Nagabad. This is the restaurant location, and I like slow-mo songs with slow music as it gives me relax as sometimes, especially that when I am full of worries and full of depression due to some reason. The slow-mo music help me to feel relaxed. My favorite week is the Saturday and Sunday in the whole week, because the Sunday is for my taking rest after whole week, and in Saturday I enjoy with my family and sometimes go somewhere for shooting with friends and someone new ones as it includes in my hobbies and interests also. Similarly, the month of Ramadan is very favorite month for me. Then overall month, I love different colors of parrots, including the pigeons and different birds when they speak in the morning with a small voice, when they sing their songs in the early in the morning. As my best quality is that I am very kind nature, as my heart is very small and kind for everyone. One another quality is that when I get angry, I keep quiet and leave everything inside, instead of fighting with someone that she is wrong, he is wrong. I leave everything at that time. This is my best quality. In my free time, I can express myself and communicate in English with me, and sometimes communicate with others like siblings. My strengths are I am self-motivated, hard worker, and a disciplined person. Moreover, my long-term goal is that is to achieve good position where I can build my career and help the organization to, as I want to become a successful man. Moreover, vlog and making video and the sudden movement which arises in the road, which is coming in the road, or accident in the road, or nature view is also included in my hobby. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hello viewers, My name is Syed Mohammad Mustafa Siddiqui and I am news reporter from Dunia News. And today I am going to take an interview of the famous YouTuber Syed Mehraj Shah. So let's go.
I am fine. Welcome in my house. How are you?
Hello, how are you, sir?
I am fine, and you?
Me also, Alhamdulillah. I'm really thankful for waiting.
No worry, no worry, no worry.
As we know that Syed Mehraj Shah is very famous YouTuber on social media. Well, how did you start now making video on YouTube?
From my childhood, I have a desire that I will become a successful YouTuber.
How did you start your career on YouTube?
When I was a child, I make different types of videos of mountains, and sometimes I make videos of sky. Sometimes I make videos of sunrise, sunset, and different types of videos. This is my pleasure, and this is my yes.
Good. So, sir, what type of videos you making nowadays?
I am making tour videos nowadays.
Oh,
Can I show you?
yes, sir, sure.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. What message do you want to give your viewers? How are you, sir?
I don't give any message
Okay.
from my movies and videos to my viewers. My treatment make them to think on my subject.
Thank you so much, sir. Allah.